All right, guys, here we go. We're going to take a quick look at coin. It's one of our top picks, and of course, powerful strategies for accelerating your retirement, paying off debt. But anyway, let's get right into it. Right now, we're potentially putting in what we call an M formation, where you have a high, lower high, and then when you take out this bottom pivot here, you're going to drop, quite a bit lower, maybe even to that 20. Okay. Now, right now, that's just what we're looking at. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but we like to look at these charts, kind of like a chess game, two, three moves ahead. And this red dash line here was the reason why we have it there is that it was previous resistance going way back. Well, the first hit was December of 2024, and then we had one back here in November of 2021. So a couple, and believe it or not, the further away those high pivots, those tops are, the stronger they are in order to and form more stronger resistance to get up and over. Yeah, we've cleared it, but as you see, we've come back in and then made so far, a lower high here, high, lower high. So we want to stay above that red dash line, for as long as possible and possibly form a base, some foundation stability, and then try to get up and over that high pivot there. Okay. If not, like I was saying, we're going to do a high, low, lower high, and then roll over to the bottom. And regarding, market tops, market bottoms, they both work the same. On the bottom, what you're looking for is, like a W formation a lot of time, unless you get a V, but a V is, it's kind of rare. But more times than not, you get the W. So you make a, come down, make that final low, run up, pull back into this leg that went up, make a higher low here, and then you take off, okay? And then as you can see up here, you just do the opposite when the markets are rolling over, okay? Now I'm kind of insinuating we're going to, roll over here, and what we would do right now, whether this was a buy, hold, or sell at this moment in time, if you're not in it, then not financial wise, I'm just saying it, for us anyway, it would be a hold until we got a nice event candle, breakout candle that signal, we're going to take that out. And then we would be holding to see if this low pivot holds or if we're going to pull down here closer to the 20, that blue line, in order to, make that entry if we get that push back up and to the upside. And the reason why I coin kind of get into the fundamentals of this because if you work the fundamental side and then the chart side, the technical analysis side, it really increases your odds probability of being success and having success in your trades and not being worried about I'm in now. I'm worried about stopping out or losing money, so on and so forth. Even though that's that's part of the game, you have to be aware of that. But coin in particular, we believe is soon. Well, first of all, it's obviously a publicly traded company. Number one, so they have to open their books each quarter, and then number two, for reliability and validity, they're the premier custodian for all your Bitcoin ETFs from BlackRock, so on and so forth. All those institutions custody their Bitcoin with coin, okay? And basically Coinbase, we're familiar with that. Anyway, and then moving along here, on top of that, you also have them applying to be a bank. Okay, so we could see Coinbase later on. I mean, it's not done yet. I'm just saying that's hypothetically that's what could happen. They could become a bank, so you have all that energy coming in. And believe it or not, Coinbase has around, well, actually a little over 100 million clients right now. Okay, retail, commercial, whatever. And I believe it's Bank of America has about 60 something, 64, 65 million, just to kind of give you an idea how big Coinbase is in the market. But right now, like to show you, our course, give you a little rundown on it. The strategies for accelerating your retirement, trying to retire as soon as possible, paying off debt, so on and so forth. And a lot of people don't necessarily use this for that, even though that's what it's designed for. They're coming through here. We've done all the work, and they're cherry picking stocks, kind of like the one I already showed you. But kind of starting out, introduction to, why all that's important, the secret to building and keeping, okay? Relatively easy to build wealth. It's keeping it that is the hard part, okay? Banking and finance sector, we give you the best, charts of top companies in that sector right now. Of course, you're going to have Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in here, identifying, crypto altcoins, found the top companies, on the S&P, wherever they may be trading, energy sector, top companies have the best charts, healthcare, infrastructure, how the roads and everything, people don't think about it, bridges, roads, everything else, slowly deteriorating. And some groups, some companies got to go in there and repair all that. Real estate, if you're had rental property, it's kind of labor intensity to keep up with. So what we like to do is get the top companies in different sectors, commercial, residential, even parking facilities. Again, people don't think about it. Is kind of a money making situation there, and then we get the charts for those for you. Then technology, can't leave that out. And right here, I'm not going to give it all away, but strong tech and AI companies with the potential. I mean, any of that, not financial wise, any of this could go to $1 million or lose $1 million or go to zero. Okay. Another potential 10 to 50x plus. And then we really take a deep dive because that's where everything's going into the leading companies poised to lead the AI, video, and gaming, sector, industry, rare earth metal, top U.S. and foreign companies. I mean, none of that AI or anything else is going to run without, yeah, rare earth metals. Okay, leaders in robotics, areas of industrial automation, service, medical, supplemental passive income, USDC versus Tether, and step-by-step guide to get you a little passive income coming in, and then we have a whole, I don't know, a whole big list of bonus chapters here to help you. But guys, appreciate you watching. Check out the course in the link below, and we will see you on the charts.